Everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you another cheap Bluetooth speaker from Silvercrest. This one is an outdoor speaker. It is rated IP44 for splash water splashes, and which means you can take it out in the rain. Don't submerge it because it will get damaged. The model of this speaker is SBL6 B2, as you can see right here. Here you can pause the video and read all the specifications for the speaker. Okay, now let's open it up, take it out of the box, see what we have inside. Now, on a side note, I did open this box previously because the speaker itself is sealed inside this package, so it's pretty hard to get into on the... As you can see, I already cut this part off in order to make it easier for the video. You have the user's manual. You don't really need these. Okay, so what you get inside the box is a 3.5 meter auxiliary cable, 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable, sorry. You can use it with non-Bluetooth devices. You get a USB charging cable, not micro USB, not the USB type C, it's micro USB. And the speaker itself, it's pretty hard to get out of the box. Sorry. Now I chose the blue color. It did came with in another with other colors, black, gray, and pink, if you can believe it. Now under this flap you have the micro USB port and the headphone jack. You can see you have the play and pause. This is the power button as well. Skip and reverse tracks, which also double as the volume buttons. It does have dual speakers, which means it's one here and one here. They are 2 watts each. It is pretty compact, it is pretty small. From the box and from the website, it looked a lot bigger. Okay, so let's power it on and do a sound test with it. Alright. Now, in order to pair it, you have to press this Bluetooth button to get it into pair mode. Alright, you can see the light is flashing. It is in pairing mode. So let's grab a phone and pair it up. Alright, let's go to Bluetooth. Turn it on. See if it finds it. There we go, SBL6 B2. Alright, it is connected. So let's play some music, see how it sounds. Let's get the max volume. That's max volume on the phone. Let's get max volume on the speaker itself. Can pause the music on this button. As you can hear, it's pretty loud. It doesn't have a lot of bass to it. I don't know what the construction inside of it is, but I do believe that there is no separation wall between these two speakers, and the bass kind of, I don't know, cancels. The bass coming from both speakers is they do cancel each other out or something. I don't know exactly, but uh, it is pretty good for outdoor music. You won't get any complaints from the speaker. It is working great. All right, I'm gonna play the music again. Okay, well, that's about it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and hope I'll see you in the next one. Alright, see you.